Hey guys, welcome to Anything and Nothing. Tonight's drink is going to be a Cuba Libre. You might ask, what does that entail? It's actually super basic. 3 ingredients. You'll have rum, lime juice, and you top it off with Coke. So it's pretty much kind of like a fancier version of a Coke and rum, or rum and Coke. So you will pour an ounce of lime juice into your little shaker, and you'll do 2 ounces of rum. This rum I got from Jamaica, so it's like extra proof or overproof. It's more than like the 40%. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I didn't fill it all the way up. All right, simple. And then you'll just want to slowly pour it in here. You want to slowly pour it back if the ice comes out, or not. It's totally fine. This is Michelle's anyways, so who cares if it's not good? Just kidding. All right, and you'll top it off with some Coke. Got a little straw, got your little lime wedge, and voila, a lovely Cuba Libre.